Disney Mickey Mouse Clubhouse. Pluto's Big Talent. Pluto wakes up early. He is excited. Today is the first ever That Dog's Got Talent show. Pluto takes a relaxing swim and then looks for Mickey. Mickey and Pluto have time for one more training session before they meet Pete and his dog Butch at the competition. Hot dog! Pluto can juggle 5 balls. For the talent show, Pluto will attempt to juggle 6 balls. It's time to start the show. Goofy calls the contestants to the stage, but Pluto has a problem. He can find only 1 ball. Here come Donald and Daisy and Minnie. They want to see Pluto and Butch perform. Do they have something Pluto can juggle? Look, Pluto is juggling 6 yummy foods. Count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Can Butch beat that? For his talent, Butch will try to dog paddle all the way across the pool. Uh-oh, he's not very good at dog paddling. It's a good thing Pluto is. Everyone agrees that Pluto is the winner of today's That Dog's Got Talent show. Butch himself graciously gives Pluto the medal.
Do you think Pluto would give Butch some dog paddling lessons?
Asked Pete.
Sure thing,
says Mickey. Then Pluto gets a big surprise. He has won another prize, the Helping Hound Award.
That Pluto sure does have talent,
says Goofy.
Yep,
says Mickey.
And for his next talent, he will nap until the sun goes down.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share, and follow me on Instagram and Twitter. And for more Disney Mickey Minnie Mouse stories, check out my Disney Mickey Minnie Mouse playlist. And if you enjoyed this story, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. It really helps the video and the channel. Thank you so much for your support. See you next time.